Hello guys, welcome to ECM engineering. In this case, we have this international computer. We're gonna open it up and see what happened. For this type of computer, we're gonna proceed with the diagnostic and testing, okay, for a customer that is having some special issues with this unit. Okay, as we can see in here, we have all the power supply area. All this side is the high voltage power supply for the fuel injector system. Okay, under this board we're gonna find all the sensor for the engine, okay, information, also all the injector drivers on this side, and on this side we're gonna find all the circuit processing, the data processing, microprocessor, memories, and communication lines. We're gonna also inspect and test all the connection with the connector, okay, and make sure that everything is okay. If you have this type of computers and you want to repair it, just give us a call or get into our webpage.